is set to launch one of its most significant updates with iOS 19, iPadOS 19, and macOS 16. These updates aim to redefine user experience by introducing a unified design language, streamlined navigation, and a modernized aesthetic. Apple's focusing on creating a seamless experience across devices, ensuring consistency in apps, menus, and system elements. Rounded app icons and translucent interface elements will become standard. Menus and navigation will feel familiar across devices, reducing the learning curve. Influenced by visionOS, Apple's AR operating system, these changes enhance fluidity and cohesion. Apple's bridging the gap between devices with a polished, intuitive interface. Rounded, translucent UI components create a modern look. Card-style interfaces organize content, improving readability and navigation. Control Center, notifications, and multitasking views will feature these refinements. The new update will represent Apple's most ambitious overhaul since iOS 7 and macOS Big Sur. 3D elements and transparent layers add depth, creating an immersive experience. Simplified navigation structures make finding what you need easier. Menus and buttons now have a more tactile appearance, making interactions feel natural. Apple's adapting elements from its AR-based visionOS. Apps like Invites and Sports, originally designed for AR, are reimagined for iPhones and Macs. While full AR experiences won't be replicated, interactive features will add depth to daily tasks. This integration sets the stage for a seamless coexistence of AR and traditional computing. Apple is making devices easier to use by enhancing controls and gestures. iPadOS 19 adopts macOS and iOS multitasking gestures. macOS 16 streamlines window management for better focus. These changes boost efficiency for both new and experienced users. Transparency plays a major role in Apple's new aesthetic. Control Center will subtly blend into the background for better context. Transparent design cues enhance both form and function, and the interface remains engaging without overwhelming the user. Apple's restructuring apps with card-like sections. In Messages, conversations may appear as individual cards, improving navigation. This design choice enhances multitasking and keeps content accessible. Overall, it aligns with Apple's broader goal of intuitive, efficient experiences. Apple is making sure all devices work together more smoothly. Features like universal control and handoff will be more seamless. Cross-platform consistency minimizes friction, allowing users to focus on tasks. And a unified, user-friendly ecosystem remains Apple's priority. As WWDC approaches, Apple will reveal more details about these updates. First-party apps like Mail, Messages, and Calendar will retain their core designs but benefit from UI refinements. The balance between innovation and familiarity ensures that changes feel intuitive. Apple's commitment to usability and cross-platform consistency will take center stage. With iOS 19, iPadOS 19, and macOS 16, Apple's redefining the future of user interaction. Expect a more cohesive, visually engaging, and functionally efficient experience across all devices.